You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the other name for the predator. We'll be looking at more vocabulary and names too many mispronounced, so stay tuned to the channel. There are different ways of pronouncing it, since we don't really know they are all correct. So let's go through them. Yautja, 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 or Yautja, Yautja, or Yautja. Probably that very last one is the most common. Yautja. How do you say it? Let's make a poll in the comments. Say how you like to pronounce it, or how you think it should be pronounced, and give some likes to the top pronunciations that you prefer. Yautja, 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 or Yautja. How do you say it? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.